Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you find or locate a wallet address of your Coinbase account. Find a wallet address, you have to follow these steps. So in order to do it, you have to first of all open up your Coinbase account, and once you are logged in, this is how the interface will look like. Next, you want to click on the asset button. As you do it, then you want to click on the Bitcoin icon right over here. Then you want to go ahead and select the asset. After you select the particular asset, you could find the QR code as well as the wallet address. You could either go ahead and download it, or maybe scan the QR code or just copy the wallet address, or you could also click on share, and that is how you could locate your wallet address of your Coinbase. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.